Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. As we created our variables in the last episodes, you know that we have three variables in this program: integer1, integer2, and Sam. And the names for these variables are called identifiers. Identifiers can have letters, digits, and also underscore, but you cannot begin an identifier with a number. Also remember that C is case sensitive. That means that if I create another variable and I will call it integer with a capital I, it will be different from this integer1, and it will be considered a different variable. It's also convention that the variable names should always start with a small letter. Although it's not mandatory, it's common practice and it's a good practice, and it will indicate that this identifier is a variable. Let me delete this unused variable. Also remember that creating meaningful names for the variables is important, and it will be self-explanatory. Instead of having a lot of comments, it will make the program readable and easier to understand. In here I could have the name of this variable A or B or C or whatever, but it would not make any difference, and I had to put a lot of comments to explain the variable. Instead of that, integer1 is a very self-explanatory name. Also, don't start your variable names with a underscore. Even though underscores are allowed in the variable names, it's recommended not to start your variable names with an underscore. Identifiers can consist of multiple words. For example, integer, my number. Or I can create another type of convention, which is my number. Both of this is correct, and we can separate identifiers using a underscore, or we can create a camel case. The first word would be small and the second word a capital letter. That's it for this episode. See you in the next episode.